In this video, I'm going to show you how to link AliExpress to Shopify. First, open your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, click on the search box at the top of your screen and type in Shopify App Store. Click on the result that says Shopify App Store and it will open in a new tab. In this new tab, use the search bar to type DSers and press Enter. You will see an app titled DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click the Install button in front of it. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted again to click Install. If you don't already have a DSers account, you'll be asked to create one using just your email. After registering, you'll be directed to a screen where you'll need to authorize your account. Scroll down and click Confirm. Then, you'll be asked to choose a subscription plan. For now, select the basic free plan. Next, you'll be taken to a tab where you're required to link your AliExpress account. On the left side of your screen, click on the text that says Link and Authorize to AliExpress. If you don't yet have an AliExpress account, click on Register and create an account using options such as Google, Facebook, Twitter, or email. Once your account is created, go back to DSers and click on Authorize, then click Authorize once more to complete the connection. Now click on the Chrome extension option. Then select Add to Chrome, and in the prompt that appears, click Add Extension. Once you've done all of that, AliExpress will be successfully linked to your Shopify store. You can now use the extension and the DSers system to easily dropship items directly into your store. And that is how you can link AliExpress to Shopify.